Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a gorilla tag character. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our gorilla tag character, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start up here and I'm going to begin by making a line that comes down. Then I'll leave some space and I'll make another line that comes down here. Next, I'm going to make a half circle underneath each line for the eyes. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw that exact same shape for the pupils in the eyes. So we're just making the exact same shape in there. Now, I'm going to color in most of this, and I'm just going to leave a little bit white for some reflection in the pupils. And then we'll just color in the rest. Now, right here, I'm going to color in two little ovals for the nose. Now, right above here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then up, and then down again. I'm going to curve this line in on each side. Then I'm going to come down. I'm going to go over and bring it up. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up, and then down and up for the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and then back down for the top of the head. Then I'm going to bring this in on each side. And then I'll just connect a line across. On each side of here, I'm going to draw half of an oval for the ears. Now for the body. Starting here at the bottom of the head, I'm going to draw two diagonal lines that come out. Then I'm going to draw two lines that come down. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes in, and then another line that comes in. Next, I'm going to draw a line across. And then I'm going to draw two lines that come down at an angle. Then two lines that come straight down. Then two lines that come in at an angle. And then a line across. Now let's work on the arms. First, I'm going to draw a little line that comes out. Then I'm going to come down at an angle. Then I'm going to come down farther. Then I'm going to go in, over, and up. Now for the other part of the arm, I'm going to make two lines that come out at an angle. I'm going to go down. Then I'm going to come in, over, and then up. Now for the hand. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then back up. Another one's going to come out and then back up. And then one more for the thumb that's going to go out and come back up. Now let's make this arm. Right here, I'm going to go down at an angle. Then I'm going to come up and over at an angle. I'm going to go straight down and then back in at an angle. Next, I'm going to go up and in at an angle. straight across, down at an angle, then I'm going to come down, then I'm going to go in, over, and then up. Now for the hand. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line at an angle. I'm going to draw a line that comes out and then back in for the thumb. Then I'm going to go up and down for a finger. Then I'll go over, up, and then down for a finger. Then I'm going to go out at an angle and then back in. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Gorilla Tag character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.